In the past few years, we've seen more and more millionaires pop up in different countries. Meanwhile, you've been watching them, wondering why you can't be the next one. But I believe you deserve wealth too. Wealth comes in different forms, but in this video, we're focusing on financial wealth. Forget the motivational talk, forget the cliches you've heard. This is the real wealth equation. Factor 1, desire. Let's imagine two pills. A red pill for wealth and a blue pill for poverty. Which one would you choose? 100% of people, including you, would pick the red pill. But here's the thing. That's not the desire wealth requires. That's fake desire. True desire has one key element: planning. Without a plan, we can't know if your desire is real or just a temporary feeling. For example, after watching a motivational video, you might feel pumped up, but that feeling fades in a few hours. That's fake desire. If you really want wealth, you need to create a plan. Factor 2, focus on one field. Now, let's talk about the plan. You need to pick one field to focus on. It could be online or offline, but these days, starting online is often the best way to build income. Once you choose, focus on it completely and train your mind to stay on that path. Also, start saving. Try to set aside at least 20% of your income, or more if you can. Keep watching this video to understand why that's so important. Factor 3, consistency. The field you choose won't start making money right away. That's where consistency comes in. If you're not willing to be consistent, you're wasting your time and mine, because without it, your plan won't work. Let me be clear. If you can't commit to consistency, just forget about wealth. You're just on the road to staying broke. Factor 4, invest and expand. By this point, you've got real desire. You're focused on one field and you're staying consistent. Now, it's time for the next step. Investing and expanding. Let's talk about your savings. If you just save money and do nothing else, over time, your money loses value due to inflation. By investing, you can make your savings grow instead of shrink. You can also start working in another field once you're comfortable with your first one. Since your brain is already trained to focus, adding a new income source will feel easier. With investing and expanding into another field, you'll start to multiply your income streams. In future videos, I'll dive deeper into the best options for investing and building income sources. So here's the real, practical, and successful wealth equation. Trust me, if you apply it over time, you'll have a wealthy bank account, wealthy life, wealthy you.